Hi, my name's Katie Bach and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager here at Ram Mounts. Today we're going to be assembling and installing the Ram Tough Track for the 2023 Ford Bronco. This Tough Track transforms your dashboard into a full-service track mounting area for all of your overlanding devices and accessories. Let's get this Tough Track put together. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to locate your middle section and your first track rail. What you're going to do is you're going to take one of your nuts with the nylon side facing you up towards the sky and put that into the track. Once that is over the holes, you can go ahead and insert into that middle divider, flip over, and screw in. Once that's hand tightened, you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Grab your track, insert the nut with the nylon side facing you, insert into the middle, and flip over. Okay, once it's hand tightened, we're going to move on to the next step, which is connecting our end caps. So go ahead and find one end cap and slide it onto the rail. You're going to locate one of the nuts. Go ahead and insert it into the little slot just on the back side of that end cap. Place in your screw and hand tighten. Go ahead and repeat on the other side. You'll notice that there is room for 2 screws on each end cap, so make sure to get both sides secured. All right. Now that we have our Tough Track assembled, let's go ahead and get this thing installed.